The Phenomenal Fox. We're excited to announce a new award this year. This award will be given to students that have shown outstanding qualities throughout the school year. These students have worked hard, they've shown great dedication to their learning, as well as other exceptional qualities we admired. Some of the things we looked for were their perseverance, their creativity, and their kindness. This year we have 3 phenomenal foxes. They are Logan Nix, Amelia Baker, and Dallin Sheets. Next, I'd like to present the 5th grade diploma. These are given to each student who has met the requirements for 5th grade and will be advancing to 6th grade for the fall of 2020. They are Amelia Baker, Lennon Baker, Jordan Berry, Price Baskin, Kelly Beatty, Makai Boothman, Adriana Botha, David Chen,